Question 8 has got two parts. Part A, it is given that the universal set E is equal to first 8 whole numbers and set A is equal to even numbers. List set A. Part B, a certain company sells shares at 1 kwacha 13 ngwe per share. A businesswoman had 9,100 kwacha 0 ngwe to buy shares. How many shares did she get? So in this question, E has been given us the first 8 whole numbers. And then set A is even numbers. And then the question is list set A. So listing set A does not mean that we're going to list all the even numbers. The numbers that we're going to list, which are even numbers, in set A are those that are in the universal set, which is set E. So it will be wise first of all to start with listing the universal set, which is set E. So let's find out what are the first 8 whole numbers. So listing E gives us, so the first 8 whole numbers, the first one is 0, the second one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Then close. If you count them, these are 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All numbers start from 0. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So meaning that these are the whole numbers that we're talking about, and this is the universal set. The numbers we're listing in set A are numbers that are in E, not anything outside the set E, or not anything outside the universal set. So listing set A, if you take note of the numbers that are even numbers in set E, the first number is 0. 0 is an even number. 0 is part of even numbers. Then 2, then 4, and 6. And remember, even numbers are those numbers that are divisible by 2. So 0, 2, 4, and 6. Then we close. So this is set A. We come to the second part of the question, which is part B. A certain company sells shares at 1 kwacha 13 ngwe per share. A businesswoman had 9,100 kwacha 0 ngwe to buy shares. How many shares did she get? So to find the number of shares that this businesswoman got, first of all, we'll start with the first statement. So the first statement is clear. A company sells shares at 1 kwacha 13 ngwe per share. So we'll write 1 share is equal to 1 kwacha 13 ngwe. So if 1 share is equal to 1 kwacha 13 ngwe, then how many shares can we get from 9,100 kwacha? So X is equal to 9,100 kwacha. So we want to find the number of shares that we can get from 9,100 kwacha. And for this, we cross multiply. So 1 share is going to multiply with 9,100 kwacha, and X is going to multiply with 1 kwacha 13 ngwe. So we'll start with X and 1 kwacha 13 ngwe. So this gives us 1 kwacha 13 ngwe X. So X times 1 kwacha 13 ngwe gives us 1 kwacha 13 ngwe X equal to 1 share times 9,100 kwacha. So what this gives is 9,100 kwacha times 1 share. So To find x, it means we have to divide by 1 kwacha 13 ngwe. So divide both sides by 1 kwacha 13 ngwe. Even this side, 1 kwacha 13 ngwe. So the 1 kwacha 13 ngwe into 1 kwacha 13 ngwe, that's 1. 1 times x, that gives x equal to, the k kwacha will simplify, so leaving us with the 9,100 times 1 share over 1.30. So to work out this question, what we're going to do is, first of all, let's multiply. What is 9,100 times 1 share? That gives us 9,100 share on top, then over 1.3. What we're going to do is now divide this decimal into a whole number, 9,100. So now, if we look at 1.30, 1.30 is a decimal. So for easy division, we're going to change this 1.3 to a whole number. And if we take note of the decimal places, it has 2 decimal places. So meaning we need to look for a number with 2 zeros to change this to a whole number. So that number is 100. Now this 100 is not just multiplied below. So even on top here, we multiply it by 100. So when you multiply by 100 on top, what we're just going to have is 910,000 over, and then below what we're just going to get is 1.30 times 100, it is 130. So since we're looking for shares, so we'll say shares. So let's do this division. So 1 0 will simplify with 1 0. 13 into 91. 13 into 91. Now, why have I said 13 into 91? It's because there's no number that can go into 13 apart from 13 itself. So 13 into 13, 1. 13 into 91, that goes there 7 times. And we can keep the zeros. How many? 1, 2, 3. So meaning 7, 0, 0, 0. 7,000 shares. So for 9,100 kwacha, we can get 7,000 shares. If at all, 1 share is 1 kwacha 13 ngwe. So that's our solution, 7,000 shares.